Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to solve a very popular interview question, which is intersection of two sorted arrays. So in this question we have two sorted arrays A and B, and we need to find the intersection of these two sorted arrays. So the elements in the first array are 1, 20, 20, 40 and 60, and in the second array we have 2, 20, 20 and 20. And for these elements our output should be 20 because 20 is the only element which is common between these two arrays. And also one more important thing, that element should not be repeated, which means if the 20 is present twice, then we do not have to consider this 20 again. So our output should be 20. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. So what we are going to do is we are going to take two pointers to solve this problem. So one of the pointer will be pointing to the array 1 and the other pointer will be pointing to the array 2. So let's say the pointer which is going to be used for first array is I, and the pointer which is going to be used for the second array is j. Now initially our both the pointers will be on the index 0. So first of all our I is at 0 index and j is also at 0 index. So in this solution we will have three conditions. So let us see these three conditions one by one. So first of all we have two elements 1 and 2, which are the first element of both the arrays. So what we are going to do, we are going to compare both these elements. Now with these two elements there can be three conditions. The condition 1 can be that element in the first array can be greater than the element in second array, and the second condition is the element in second array is greater than the element in first array, and the third condition is when both the elements are equal. So now in intersection we need to consider the third condition, which means we need to consider the element only when both the elements are same. This is what intersection is, when the element is present in first array and as well as it is also present in the second array. So only then we need to consider the element. Now let us see, this is going to be the first condition, which means 1 is smaller than 2. So in this condition what we will do is we will skip this element in the first array and we will move to the next element in the first array. So now our I will be pointing to 20 and our j will still be pointing to 2. So now we have pair of 20 and 2. Now in this case 20 is greater than 2, which means 2 is smaller. So now 2 cannot be paired with any of the element in the first array. So what we will do, we will move to the second element of the second array. So now we will have 20 and 20. Now this is going to be the third condition. So as you can see both the elements are equal. So we will consider this 20 in our output, and with this we will move both the indexes by 1. So this time our I will be pointing to the new 20 and j will be pointing to the next 20. So now in this case we have a situation that in output these 20 should not be repeated. Because the 20 is present twice, that does not mean we should have 20 twice in the output. So for this particular thing what we can do is, so we can check in the first array if this 20 is already visited, which means before this 20 is there any same element. So yes, before this 20 there was a 20. So that is why when we compare both these elements, we will skip this 20 and we will move to the 40. So now we will have a pair of 40 and 20. 40 in the first array and 20 in the second array. Now again 20 is smaller than 40. So we will skip this element also in the second array. Now the next pair will be 40 and 20. So here again 20 is smaller than 40. So now we will skip this 20 also, and this way our pointer will go out of the size of second array. And once any of the pointer goes out of the size of any array, we will stop this process. So this way we got 20 as our output. So as you can see, this is a really easy approach by which we can solve this problem. Now let us move to the code for this particular problem. So this is a Java solution, and by following this approach you can implement your solution in any of the other languages. So first of all what we are going to do is we are going to take the size of first array and second array. We will store the sizes in the variable n and m. With this we are also taking two pointers I and j, which will iterate over the array. Then we have a while loop, and in this while loop I am putting a condition I less than n and j less than m, which means this loop will stop when any of the pointer goes out of the size. So if I goes beyond n, this loop will stop. And inside this while loop the first condition is if I greater than j and a of I double equals to a of I minus 1, which means if we see any duplicate we will simply ignore that element and we will increment I by 1, and due to continue the further process will not happen and we will move to the next element. Now after this we have these three conditions. The first condition is a of I less than b of j. So in this condition our I will be incremented by 1, which means we are skipping the lowest element of a of I and b of j. And in the second condition also, if a of I is greater than b of j, which means the element in the second array is smaller than element in the first array. And in this case we will skip the element which is in the second array by doing j++. And the last thing is else, which means both the elements are equal. So in that case we can print either of the element because both the elements are equal, and after doing this we need to increment both I and j. So that is why I have written I++ and j++. So this was the solution for this particular intersection of two sorted arrays problem. So I hope the solution was clear, but still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Coding Bytes. Thanks for watching.